I don't think people understand how powerful their minds are. Let's dive into the secret of effortless weight loss. Did you know your mind is the key to weight loss success? Both your conscious and subconscious minds can work together to make this journey easier. Start by setting clear, positive goals. Visualize yourself achieving them every day. Your subconscious will start to believe it's possible. Create healthy habits by repeating small, positive actions. Over time, these habits become automatic. It's all about consistency and believing in yourself. Remember, every step forward is progress. So, why struggle when you can harness the power of your mind? Believe it, see it, achieve it. You've got this. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website, richardmante.com, and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share and subscribe to get future amazing videos. Thank you for watching. Thank